You need to watch where you're going.
I'll run you over. I don't care if you got that camera up there or not.
Hey, why you gotta talk to people like that?
I'm talking to you like that. I ain't talking to
Do you want to fight?
Let's do it.
Come on. I will hit you
if
in
you
the
get on my knees, we'll be level.
That's a good one. That's a good one. Top of the morning, everybody! Alright, first order of business today. I'm actually on the way to Barber Motorsports Park to take some pictures of a Chevy ST, which I'm actually driving in right now. Alright, now that that's out of the way, I'm gonna head back to the SCA plant and we're gonna see what those guys are getting into today. It doesn't look like you're supercharging today.
No, I don't feel like it either.
You're supposed to have a positive mental attitude.
Oh, it's positive.
Any idea when you're gonna be doing it? Or are they still programming the new computer?
I hadn't even seen the new computer yet.
Oh, roll tide. All right, well, I'll check back with you later. Come on, man, you're good.
Have you done anything today?
Huh? I've been working hard all day. You better get off my you understand me?
I see it.
He made me miss my shot. Get up right when I'm coming over here.
Man, I'm going to get some tools so we can go to work. Don't you want to video work?
Yeah, I actually
You want to video him dance?
both. Give me some more.
Look like now I know this.
Golly! Now it's time for some NADA planning, but this is all boring stuff. Plus, I didn't get permission to video Alicia today, so I'm gonna turn it off now. Oh boy. Can you mail this to Vegas for me?
Sure.
Thanks, buddy. Ooh, that's terrible. All right, that's the last piece of NADA prep. And speaking of NADA, I've been doing show prep for like 2 months, probably since before the beginning of the year actually, along with some website upgrades, trying to redo our SCA apparel for the website. What's up? What are you doing?
Eating sunflower seeds.
I can tell. Hard at it, baby. Anyways, I had a couple of rather large video projects going on, and I've been trying to fine-tune my video and video editing skills to bring some new cool features to the Passion Driven Life project for 2018. My goal for 2018 is to shoot a PDLP episode every day, even if it's just like a 3 or 4 minute update of everything that's going on here at SCA Performance. Still, it's a lofty goal, so y'all just bear with me, buckle up, and hang on for the ride.